morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
I wish you are well here. Today we are going to learn about human nervous system. Human nervous system is a special system for our body that helps to transmit different stimulation and respondents for the proper coordinates, guidance and functioning of our body. So, neuron act as a basic unit of human nervous systems. Generally, human nervous systems are classified into 2 or 3 major types. The first one is central nervous system, second one is peripheral nervous system, and third one is autonomous nervous system. Central nervous systems always deal with major or vital nervous organ, and here brain, spinal cord act as a major organs. If we talk about peripheral nervous systems, sensory organs and motor nerves plays the vital role in functioning the peripheral nervous systems. Whereas we have autonomous nervous systems too. Autonomous nervous systems helps to govern the internal organ system. The major functions of the internal organ, their activities and different synthesizing behavior and their secreting behavior for the growth, development and further functioning of the body, autonomous nervous systems plays the vital role. Autonomous nervous systems has 2 different cellular structures too. We can say parasympathetic muscles and sympathetic muscles. Let me talk about neuron. Here neuron as a basic unit of nervous systems. There are trillions, millions of neurons in our brain cavities. We can talk like this. Let us see about the diagrammatic representations of the neuron. Okay, neuron has major parts. For example, soma or cell body, dendrites are afferent part, axon. These are the major parts of the neuron. This central unit is known as cell body. It is diploid in nature and these well-branched structures are dendrites or dendrons. The numerous dendrons are dendrites and few we can say as a dendrons. These dendrites or dendrites connect the internal organ and they connect means they receives the stimuli from the different internal organ, what they functions, what they want to secrete, what they want to conduct for our better functioning of the body. As a whole, nervous systems too symbolizes the working behavior and synthesizing behavior or integrating behavior or messaging behavior for the functioning of other organ. Okay, and in at all we can say the total functioning of different organs of the systems represent the functions of a whole body. So this is cell body. So cell body represent the central unit of the neuron system, and these are dendrites which are well branched, and this is a major portions that we call axon. Axon collects or it binds the numerous dendrites. Okay, so this axon is a delicate region also we can say about. So axon is specially meant for responding the stimuli because they are deviated or directed to the different portions of the body. So they transmit the signals to the different body portions. We can say like this. Whereas dendrites, they receives the informations and gather or submit to the brain region and brain respondents automatically, and such respondents are guided by the spinal cord by secreting the spinal fluid, and such spinal fluid or the respondents from the brain are directed through the axon region, and from the outer sections axon is covered by a myelinated sheath. This helps to protect, this helps to nourishify and gives proper restrictions for the collective set of the dendrites we can say, and these are the deviating regions of the dendrites as well. Okay, Let us see what here it is written. Okay, dendrites collect electrical signals. They collect signals. Signals means here we can say informations. Okay, when a stimuli we can talk like information, and respondents we can talk like actions of the brain or spinal cord for further respondents. You understood? Cell body integrates incoming signals and generate outgoing signals to axon. Just like said before, axon transmit respondents and cell body detect or determine the respondents. Axon. Axon passes electrical signals to dendrites of another cell or to an effector cells. Okay, let's proceed ahead. What here it is? The neuron. Soma, pericardium or cell body. Also you can say pericardium or cell body. Nucleus. Structure. Contains the DNA in turn. It has its own membrane, nuclear membrane. So I have just said before, cell body is diploid in nature. Why? They contain DNA. They contain spatial nucleus. So cell body is the major or central region of the neuron that signalize, determines and detect or what we can say respondents the or give further functioning to the axon we can say. Okay, functions, it controls the neuron activities. What's the main function of the cell body? It controls the neuron activities. Okay, let's proceed ahead. Everything that happens in the cell depends on the manufacture of proteins and amino acids using the cell's DNA. Its genetic code as a blueprint. So here DNA in a cell body act as a blueprint. It is a central unit because without DNA it do not act well. It do not perform as a unified cellular structure. Okay, so as a whole axon is a basic unit and cell body is a central unit of the axon that receives the information signal and respondents through the axons to the different body portions. Okay, indeed the genetic code is being read and decoded at every moment in every cell in your body. You can't move a muscle, a thing, a thought without the production of scores of proteins and amino acids that work together to produce a dizzying array of behavior manifest across an impressive range of temporal and spatial scales. Okay, so you know better. So this is only for today. We'll continue our lessons for tomorrow and thank you for your considerations. Thank you so much.